Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have come back with another Bakrid recipe, mutton pakoda or mutton dry fry chops. Watch the video full where I will be sharing how to make instant pakoda or instant mutton pakoda, my make and freeze method. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Now let's get started. I have taken mutton pieces. These all are chopped pieces which are nice and flat. Some are thick pieces also like this. I will show you what I will do with that. Nice flat pieces, and these pieces are juicy pieces. This will be very nice for this type of dry fry pakoda, and flat pieces are also there. Now you see I have taken thick pieces. I will just slit in between here and there to make it nice and flat so that there is no thick big chunks, so that it will not get cooked till inside. So you do like this and keep all the pieces flat. To this I will be adding 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, salt to taste and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add enough water and pressure cook in the cooker just for 2 steams, not well done. Only 50% if it cooks, more than enough. Now you can see I have cooked in the pressure cooker. Do not discard this soup. This soup we will be using it in various recipes, like for making macaronis or sivaiya, or even for making kofta curries, or many recipes you can use that soup. Now in Bakrid, this is what you can do. You can just cook a big lot of mutton like this and keep it in the freezer. This can be stored up to a month. Whenever you feel like making this pakoda, even for tea time, instantly you can make. Now first we will keep oil for heating up. Then we will start preparing the batter. I have taken 1 cup of maida. To that I will be adding 1 tablespoon of corn flour and salt to taste. This is baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala, and this is the different flavor I am going to give in this batter, that is star anise powder, which is a star in this recipe. Sure, add it. And I have added ginger garlic paste, 1/2 teaspoon. Soda, I am using soda for mixing the entire batter. If you can also use 7-Up, Sprite, anything, or plain soda also will do. Instantly, don't stop the process. When you start adding the soda, immediately go to the next step, that is frying. Start dipping the mutton pieces and start frying. Whenever you have kept frozen, keep it for it to become into a normal temperature, then start this process. Now I will be frying all the mutton pieces. This soda will make the outer layer nice crispy, and it will make the mutton also soft from inside. This way you can fry all the mutton pieces instantly. Do not delay, because the soda effect will be gone in some time. If you keep all the mutton pieces frozen any time or any guests come home, instantly you just have to prepare the batter and start frying the mutton chops, and you can serve the delicious, tasty and juicy mutton pakoda instantly. These mutton pakodas were very tasty. They are so soft and tender from inside and also crispy from outside. I have kept the batter little loose and very thin layer on top. If you want the thick layer also, you can mix the batter thick. We have always heard of chicken pakoda or chicken 65 or chicken Manchurian, but this mutton recipe is a star on the table. Flavors of star anise powder is a compliment to the mutton pakodas. Sure, give it a try. Hope you all enjoyed this mutton dry fry chops on this Eid. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Bye bye.